Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C and B3 serum on your face. First, always start with a clean canvas. After washing your face, ensure your skin is completely dry before applying any serum. Take just 2 to 3 drops of each serum, or a combined amount, and gently pat it onto your face and neck. This method helps with absorption and ensures even coverage, preparing your skin for the next steps in your routine. When layering, it's generally best to apply your vitamin C serum first. Its antioxidant properties are most effective when they can penetrate directly. After a minute or two, follow up with your vitamin B3 serum, also known as niacinamide. This helps to calm the skin and support its natural barrier. Together, these powerful ingredients can significantly improve skin tone, texture, and overall health, giving you a radiant glow. For optimal results, incorporate these serums into your morning routine. Applying them daily ensures a consistent supply of beneficial ingredients to your skin. After your serums have fully absorbed, it's crucial to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher. This protects your skin from sun damage, which can counteract the benefits of your serums and lead to premature aging. Make this a daily habit for lasting skin health. To maximize the effectiveness of your vitamin C and B3 serums, store them properly. Keep them in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to preserve their active ingredients. If you're new to these serums, always perform a patch test on a small area of skin first to check for any sensitivity. Remember, healthy skin also benefits from a healthy lifestyle. For more great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check out the link in the description below, along with other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.